Welcome back to the last part of Chapter 2, The Thief's Story. We are in page number 12. We will start from the first paragraph, page number 12. I went back to the bazaar and sat down in the shelter of Clock Tower. The clock showed midnight. I felt for the notes. They were damp from the rain. Damp means wet, almost wet. So we had seen that in the last paragraph it started to rain. So in order to save himself, Hari had taken shelter in a clock tower, and he felt that all his notes were wet now. Anil's money. In the morning, he would probably have given me 2 or 3 rupees to go to the cinema, but now I had it all. I could not cook his meal, run to the bazaar, or learn to write whole sentences anymore. So he was sitting there and he was thinking that if he had not stolen the money, definitely in the morning Anil had offered him some rupees to watch for a cinema. He will have the opportunity to learn and write, to learn whole sentences. He will have opportunity to cook, to go to purchase supplies, and to favor Anil. So he was sitting there and he was missing all those things. I had forgotten about them in the excitement of the theft. The whole sentences I knew could one day bring me more than a few hundred rupees. It was simple matter to steal, and sometimes just as simple to be caught. But to be really a big man, a clever, a respected man, was something else. I should go back to Anil, I told to myself, if only to learn to read and write. So Hari was sitting there and he was feeling very bad for the work he did, for stealing money from Anil's house. He was saying that it was very easy to steal and there is some chances that he may caught. But according to him, to become a really big man, a clever and respected man, you can see that all these qualities, a big man, a clever and respected man, it was for Anil. So Hari is saying that being a thief like Hari, it is very simple. But to be a big man like Anil, it wants some time. And here you can see that Hari feels that Anil is inspiration for Hari. So he decides that he will go back to Anil's house and he will start learning again. So you can see that finally he stole money from Anil's house, but now he had changed his mind. He had thought that he will go to Anil's house, he will keep the money back and he will start learning again. I hurried back to the room, feeling very nervous, for it is much easier to steal something than to return it undetected. I opened the door quietly, then stood in the doorway in the clouded moonlight. Anil was still asleep. I crept to the head of the bed and my hand came up with the notes. I felt his breath on my hand. I remained still for a minute. Then my hand found the edge of mattress and slipped under it with the note. You can see that in this paragraph, Hari was successful again in keeping the notes in the same place. But what Hari is saying, it was very easy to steal something, but what was difficult to keep it back undetected. मतलब कुछ सामान चोरी करना बहुत आसान था, लेकिन उसे वापस रखना उससे बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल. I awoke late next morning to find that Anil had already made the tea. He stretched out his hand towards me. There was 50 rupees note between his finger. My heart sank. I thought I had been discovered. I made some money yesterday, he explained. Now you will be paid regularly. You can see here in the morning when Hari awake, what he found, Anil had made tea for him. And Anil first offered the tea, then he was standing there with a 50 rupees note in the hand. At that time, Hari afraid. What he was thinking that he had caught. But anyhow, it was not like that. But that 50 rupees was the payment of Hari's work. And Anil said, from today onwards, you will get a payment for your work. My spirit rose. But when I took the note, I saw it was still wet from the night's rain. Today we will start writing sentence, he said. He knew, but neither his lips nor his eyes showed anything. I smiled at Anil in my most appealing way, and the smile came by itself without any effort. You can see here, Hari is saying that Anil knew. What Anil knew? Anil understood that in the night Hari had taken the money because as those notes were damp, those notes were wet in the rain. So Anil understood that in the night Hari had taken those rupees, and because of his guilt he had kept the note again, and Anil had not said anything about it, but again they both smiled to each other in an appealing way. So it was a very beautiful story, and you had seen that how a thief Hari transformed his life with the inspiration of Anil. So this story is finished. Just read the chapter one more time, then go to the link given in the school website and write the question answers both. Think about it and think about it. And both the question and answers you write in your classwork copy. So stay well and thank you.